Moral lesson number one, showing kindness. Oh, look at this juicy apple. It's big and red and perfect. Hi, Belia. I'm so hungry. I haven't found any food today. Well, guess what? We can share this apple. Half for you, half for me. Really? You'd share it with me? Of course, sharing makes friends happy, and happy friends make the world sweeter. You're the best, Belia. Let's eat together. Apples taste better when shared. And kindness fills your tummy too. Kind hearts make happy starts. Be a buddy, not a bully.